Hey guys, it's Matt with MyDesigns here. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily connect your Etsy shop with your MyDesigns account. So let's jump right in. Once you log into your MyDesigns account, it should take you to the dashboard. Once you're here, all we need to do is navigate to the top right corner to this gear icon, which is our settings. We'll go ahead and click into that. Now you'll see on the left menu here, there's shops under seller and it has a 2 in parentheses. So that 2 means that we currently have 2 shops connected. We're going to go ahead and click this and you'll see we have a Shopify and a WooCommerce store connected to this MyDesigns account. Now, if you're on a free plan, you can connect up to 1 shop. If you're on the Pro plan, you can connect up to 3 shops. And if you're on the Pro Plus plan, you can connect unlimited shops. But it's really easy to connect our Etsy shop. All we have to do is click this button here at the top called Connect Etsy. And then once we click Connect again, it should pop up a window that takes us to our Etsy account. As you'll see, we're already logged into it, so we just need to scroll to the bottom here and click Grant Access. And then now you can see on our MyDesigns account, it shows our Etsy shop, but we still need to just click Connect Shop one more time. And now that's it. That's how easy it is to connect your Etsy shop to your MyDesigns account.